Hello everyone, and welcome to this tutorial on how to use our career and accomplishment tracker template. Today I'm gonna walk you through our entire Google Sheets template, which is designed to help you track your achievements, set and monitor your goals, measure performance metric, benchmark yourself against industry standards, and store all your supporting resources all in one organized system. Before we dive into the main sheets, let's look at the start sheet. This sheet is your central hub for maintaining drop-down lists and essential categories. By keeping them in one place, you'll ensure consistent data entry across all sheets. Project type: categorize your projects: internal project, client project, skill. Competency: track key skills like leadership, communication, or data analysis. Status: quickly mark if a project or goal is in progress, completed, on hold. Priority: indicated high, medium, or low to manage workload effectively. Department focus area: label task or goal by department, such as marketing, sales. Any changes you make here will automatically update the dropdowns in other sheets, saving your time and ensure consistent terminology. Our template consistency of 5 primary data sheets with no extra dashboards. Those sheets are: number 1, accomplishment tracker; number 2, goals milestones; number 3, metrics and performance tracking; number 4, peer benchmark and industry standards; number 5, resources, evidence, and certifications. In this video, I will explain each sheet and show you how to enter and manage your data. Let's start with accomplishment tracker. This sheet is where you record every professional achievements, project, or milestones. Here is a breakdown of the column you will see. Date: record the date or time frame of accomplishment in the format. For example, year, month, or date. Project task: enter the short titles for what you accomplished, like website redesign or client onboarding. Descriptions or summary: provide a brief overview of work you did. Key achievements: list the major wins or outcomes, such as increase the conversion rate by 25%. Metrics or outcomes, and you just enter the qualified result, think revenue figures, percentage, or cost savings. Role and responsibilities: describe your contribution, for example, project lead. Skills demonstrated: list the key skills you showcased, like leadership or data analytics. Lessons learned or challenge: note obstacles you encountered and what you learned from them. Next steps: follow-up actions. Outline any future actions or improvements based on the project. Link and support evidence. Include a hyperlink to relevant document, presentations, or report that back up your achievement. As you can see on the screen, each row represents one accomplishment. When you complete the project, simply fill in a corresponding row with all the relevant details. This sheet becomes your personal brag book. Make it easy to reference your work during performance review or when updating your resume. Goal and milestones. Next is goal and milestone sheets. This is where you set your professional objective and track your progress over time. The columns here are goal name, a concise title for your goal, descriptions, a detailed explanation of what the goal is and why it's important. Priority: indicate whether the goal is high, medium, or low priority. Focus area or department: specify the department or area of focus if applicable. Start date: when you begin working towards the goal. Target completion date: the deadline or intend to finish date. Status: the current date of the goal, such as not started, in progress, or completed. Milestone: list the key checkpoints along the way. Percentage complete and tracking progress. Please just use the number, not percentage sign here, and you can put like a 1 to 100. And a note of next step: add any additional detail or action items. Use this sheet to clearly define what you are aiming for and monitor your progress. Updating your goal status regularly will help you stay focused and accountable. Okay, let's move on the third sheet, metrics and performance tracking. It's for monitoring key performance indicators over time. Here you can log metrics like a monthly sales, conversion rate, or any other performance data that matter to you. The column in this sheet date, time frame, enter the specific date or period such as the month or week, metric name the metric you are tracking like monthly sales or customer certifications target. You set target for the metric, the actual result achieved. Variance, a calculation shows the difference between the target and the actual values. Comments or note, any observations or explanations for numbers. This sheet is particularly useful for identifying trends and making data-driven decisions about your performance. Okay, the next sheet, peer benchmark and the industry standard sheet. You compare your performance or qualifications against the industry benchmark. The column here included category metric, for example, certifications, years of experience, or project lead. Industry benchmark or best practice, the standard you should ideally meet, and your current value, what your current have, gap, or variance, the difference between your value and the industry benchmark. Action item, recommendations, steps you can take to bridge any gaps. Data source note where the benchmark data come from or additional notes. This sheet helps you objectively assess your standing and identify an area for professional development. Finally, we have the resource evidence and the certification sheet. This is your central repository for all supporting documents and certifications that validate your achievements. The columns here are resource name, a title for a resource such as a Project X report, digital marketing certifications, GA4 certifications, the type of resource such as like document, videos, testimonial, yeah. Associate accomplishment or goals, a reference to a related accomplishment or goal from your other sheets, link or file location, a URL or links or files path to the resource, date when the resource was opened or created, descriptions or key takeaway, a brief note on the resource significance. This sheet ensures you have all evidence you need to back up your claims, make it easier to present your achievement when needed. That wraps up our overview of a career and accomplishment trackers template. By keeping each sheet simple and focused on the raw data, you'll have a clean, cluttered system that's easy to update and maintain. Here's a quick recap. Start sheet is your central hub for dropdown list, ensure consistent data across all sheets. Accomplishment tracker, log all your professional wins in detail. Goals and milestones, set and monitor your objectives. Metrics and performance tracking, keep eye on key performance indicators. Peer benchmark and industry standards, compare your performance to industry norms. Resource evidence and certifications, story supporting document and certifications. Okay, I hope this tutorial helps you understand how to efficiently use this template. If you have any questions or need future customizations, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.